Today, we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 545 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. And so the source video says, I tried the 2 indicator strategy for 30 days and got amazing results. So the grammar's a little bit strange on there, but obviously they claim that they tried this for 30 days and they were able to get amazing results from it. And so, of course, we'll put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So we'll just hide the 2 indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the kernel switch indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we are going to jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the look back to 5, the start at bar to 3, the relative weight to 2, and the period to 2. Then jump into the styles and uncheck the kernel up and the kernel down. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Coleman Hull RSI. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one. And under the inputs, you're going to change the measurement noise to 0, the process noise to 0.02, and the RSI period to 2. Now this is a little bit strange here because in the source video it doesn't appear to get the same results from the indicator as the settings here. And so I double checked and triple checked that these were the right settings according to the source video. But if you watch the source video, you can see that clearly the RSI histogram is far more filled in. It's not quite so glitchy like it is here, where it gets just a couple bars, then drops, then a couple bars, then spikes, then and so on. And so it's just very strange that the source video appeared to get a different result from the settings than this one, which I've had problems with source videos and their settings before, and so I guess I shouldn't be that surprised. Nonetheless, this is the settings that they said we should use, and that's what we're going to go with. And so what we're looking for a long trade, so we're looking for a buy tag like this here from the kernel switch, and then we're going to look down to the Hull RSI, and we want it to have a green histogram bar like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below the pivot area created here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within just a couple of bars there, we make a nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade example, what we're looking for is a sell tag, like this here, from the kernel switch. Then we're going to look down to the Hull RSI, and we want it to have a red histogram bar like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short, and we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And And this one takes a little bit longer, but we eventually stair-step our way down, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. That's going to put it right at a 24% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $15,200. It would have put your total profit and loss at negative $8,000. And so over the 30 days, definitely didn't get amazing results out of this strategy. And so, can't say that I would recommend trying this particular strategy. Now, during the same period of time, we did 31 trades with the Academy of Forex Indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $15,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.